So what's up guys, other video here on XOOY Sigma. I don't know what I named that channel. So today I will show you the secret parts of PC and set up PC. First you need to climb this. This is first. I'm so bad at fireball, bro. Here we go. Jump here. Oh my god. Never mind, I will not say that. Bruh. Wait. I will cut this video until I get there. The fuck? So guys, I found this spot there to here. This really helped me and it's only cost 10 million. It gave me a lot of gold. So, but I already have enough gold to upgrade to diamond and sandstone. Yeah. Go to the second parts of, I don't know, PC. So you guys, it's only here, close to the river. Follow my lead, yeah. So yeah, here, the wooden planks. Under the wood, you find this, and this is helpful for diamond farm or grind, and it's only cost 1 billion. So yeah, next to the other parts. So guys, I just remember it's not here. Go to the next gen store and go here, and you will find, bro, I'm so laggy. And go here. Go inside this thingy with your feet. Alright. Now go here. This you will find here. And talk about, hi, I'm Isabel. Lol. Who are you? Who knows? So you will get this. This is so helpful to gold. It's mouse. And the other one, it's RAM. The 1 billion. Yeah. This helped me too. And yeah. Let's find other parts cause I forgot where it is, bruh. Okay. I will cut this. So guys, my friend just leave. He need to go. So yeah. I will find the other one. Or I don't know if it's only 3. Let me find it. I know it's 4, I think. Yeah. Wait me guys. So y'all, I think that's all the secret parts or material. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe button and click the notification bell so you always update on my other video. So yeah, bye guys. Have a good day.